All right, here we go. What we're doing today on the first section is putting words into symbols. So if we have words like more than, greater than, in addition to, what are we doing? Adding. 23 more than t is 23 plus t. Less than, difference is subtracting. If it's 21 less than t, is it 21 minus t or t minus 21? T minus 21. Because 21 less than that, you have to take whatever you have and then subtract 21 from it. D divided by t, well, divided by is just divided by. D divided by t. X subtracted from y, what comes first, x or y? Y minus x, because x is subtracted from y. Twice n is 2n. 24 multiplied by d is 24d. 2 more than twice a number is 2 plus 2x, because twice a number is 2x. 4 times some number plus 3. 4 times some number, oops, no parentheses in this one. 4 times some number plus 3. Your salary after a 3% salary increase, okay? Your salary before the 3% increase is S. Well, your salary is your salary. If you get a 3% increase, it's 0.03 times your salary. Now, if you just said 0.03 times your salary, that would be a huge decrease in your salary, because that would be like a 97% decrease in your salary. So you have to add your salary on to the 3% increase of your salary. So the way they have it written for number 9 is this: the salary plus 0.03 times the salary. Okay? A driver drove 58 miles per hour for M hours. So 58 miles per hour for M hours is that. Okay? Justin had $35 before spending T dollars on Gene. How much remains? Well, how much remains would you add, subtract, multiply, or divide? Subtract. Okay? He had $35 and spent T dollars on jeans. For some of you, $35 wouldn't buy a pair of jeans for your fancy jeans. Now, some of you might go to Walmart and get a pair of jeans for less than $35. A person part-time job pays $7 per hour. They worked N hours. So 7 hours, $7 an hour times N hours would be 7N. Okay? So that's your first assignment, putting words into symbols. Then your second assignment, we're going to be working order of operations. So what's order of operation? Pemdas. What does Pemdas stand for? Parentheses, exponents, multiply and divide from left to right, whatever comes first. So you might have to divide before you multiply. Add and subtract from left to right. Pemdas. Okay? So what comes first here? Multiplication. What comes here first? Parentheses, so it is the subtraction. Okay? So what operation comes first in this whole thing? The division, because that's division is happening inside the parentheses. You work from left to right. Okay? And then you have to simplify this. Well, this is the distributive property. So negative times 7x plus 2 is negative 7x plus 2. Okay? A negative distributed through here is negative z plus 72. Okay? A negative through here is negative 5a plus 6b minus 8c. Okay? For this one, you actually distribute the negative sign. This is a two-step problem. You actually distribute the negative sign and then combine like terms. So it's 8x minus x, and then what's the 8 have? Plus 8, because when you distribute the negative sign, it changes all the signs inside. So 8x minus x is 7x plus 8. Okay? Here, distribute the negative sign through the parentheses. Okay, and then add the like terms. 3 plus 6 is 9. 9 minus 7 is 2, so it's 2x minus 7. Here, distribute the negative 5 first. So it's 4 minus 5 times 5 is 25. Negative 5 times 2 is a positive 10. Well, let's not do it that way. Let's just work inside out. What's 5 minus 2? 3. And then 5 times 3? So it's negative 11. Okay, just work inside out on these. Okay. Let's do 12. Okay. So working inside out, we can't take b plus 5 or b minus 3. So we distribute. So it's 9b plus 45 minus 19 plus 2b minus 6 plus 3. Okay. So it's 9b plus 26 plus 2b minus 3, because negative 6 plus 3 is negative 3. And then 9b plus 2b is 11b. 11b. And then 26 minus 3 is plus 23. Okay. For 13, what do you do first? Cody. What? I'm not paying a bit of attention, Mr. Bierschbach. I'm staring at this video game on my computer. The scholarship application. I'm doing a scholarship application, and I'm not paying one bit of attention to Mr. Bierschbach.
I'm making more money on the scholarship application than I paid for this class.
Okay, well, what do we do first?
2 times 9.
Yeah, 2 times 9. So it's 3 minus 18 minus 12. 3 minus 18 is negative 5 minus 12, which is negative 17. Okay? Here we do what's inside the parentheses. 4 divided by negative 6, which is negative 2/3. Okay? So there is like 26 problems to do today.